Hello friends, welcome back. It is already time to film another monthly reset video, which is crazy. The month of February has gone by so quickly, but I'm very excited for March just as the weather begins to warm up. So we're going to reset together.
Press back to a downward facing dog and then carefully walk your hands back towards your feet. Soft bend through your knees, roll up to standing self-rest. Release send your glutes far behind you, shifting your weight into your heels and keep drawing your navel in to keep your spine nice and straight. Let's do 3, 2, and twist to the left. So step out, in, step out.
So I've taken some time to sit down and just journal a bit to reflect on the month of February. This month has just been a big month of growth as I pursue making YouTube videos, and I've also started making some TikTok videos, and I just feel like I'm learning more every day, and the content is getting better and reaching more people, so that's really exciting. A goal that I had was to cook more meals, and I have been cooking more. And then I have signed up for a class, and I'll probably talk more about that in the coming months when I'm actually taking it, but I'm super excited about that. So that was a really big moment in the month of February, and I am excited for what's going to come with it, and I can't wait to bring you along for it. My overall feeling for the month of February, I am just really happy with life right now. I'm excited about continuing on YouTube and just growing individually, and I feel like I'm really living life for the first time and just fulfilling my role as a wife and housemaker, and that has just really just filled my heart with joy and made me so content. Some challenges that I faced this month. I have just been noticing that I am lonelier. Just being out of college, I no longer have that close-knit community of people that I was with every single day. And then my sweet husband, Eli, has inspired me this month. He is in a new job, and he is working longer hours, and he's on call. He gets called in sometimes in the night, but he has had such a joyful attitude, and I'm so inspired by him, his hard work, his desire to protect and provide, and it just enables me to have more time at home and be able to do the role of a wife, to take care of the home, to cook the meals, care for my husband, and I just am so happy and just thankful for him. Some goals that I have for this next month: I want to make sourdough bread, but it's just a lot of work and there's a lot of steps you have to keep up with it every day, but I would like to make it just because I enjoy eating sourdough so much. I also would love to make homemade marshmallows. I don't know why I want to do this, but I just think that it sounds really good. And I want to make homemade shamrock shakes. It is March. We're going to have St. Patrick's. I want to continue to cook more. I want to implement an actual cleaning schedule. And then there's one that I didn't write down, which is consistently practice the cello. I have been going to my lessons, but I am not practicing every day, and I need to be practicing every day. And I think that's the majority of my reflections for the past month, and then just what I'm excited for in the month ahead. I think there's going to be a lot more time spent outside. I want to do a big spring cleaning. I know we're not quite through with winter, but I am looking forward to doing that, and I'm just really excited for this month overall. This past month has been really good, and I am feeling really joyful. I am so excited to be building this YouTube community. It's something that I've dreamed about doing for a really long time, but I just haven't had the time, the equipment, or the knowledge, and now I am making it happen, and I really believe that God is calling me to this. I think that it is a digital mission field, and I'm so excited for it. I hope that I can share some helpful habits and tips, and just share light and joy, and that's really my goal, and to just have fun. So that's what I am here for. And yeah, I still have some more things to do for the reset, some more cleaning, I need to get some groceries, and it's gonna be a good month. ready to go to the grocery store, so I'm quickly going to clean out the fridge, wipe it down, see what needs to be thrown out, what we are keeping, and just make sure that it's looking good. So I'm going to do that really quick. The fridge is all cleaned out. I wiped it all down, got rid of stuff that needed to be thrown away. The fridge looks super sparse and bare, like old Mother Hubbard right now, but that's okay. We're gonna go to the grocery store and get things for the week ahead, but it looks so much better. I'm getting ready to go into Nature's Wonders, but it is a windy day today, and I decided to wear a tennis skirt that is very flowy. It has built-in shorts, so that is good, but it keeps blowing up when I'm outside and it just makes me embarrassed. I'm not trying to show anything off, but the wind is just not in my favor with this outfit. I just got back from running my errands and going to the grocery store, so I'm going to quickly put the groceries away, and I got everything done that I was planning on, so I'm feeling really good about that. Let's put these away. Oh, and I picked up some peppermint, food coloring that doesn't have artificial dyes, so that I can make these shamrock shakes. I'm so excited to make shamrock shakes. I saw a recipe on TikTok the other day for sweet potato fries, and I really want to make them, so I looked up a similar recipe online. I've got my fries chopped up and seasoned, so now I'm going to put them in the oven for I think 10 minutes, and then they're supposed to be flipped, and then I'll cook them for another 15 minutes. So